Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an in-depth comparison between Akiflow and Sunsama. Both are popular daily planning tools that help you manage your tasks, time, and focus. But which one is right for you? Stick around until the end because I'll break down their features, pricing, integrations, pros and cons, all in under 6 minutes. Let's start with the core philosophy of each tool. Akiflow is built for speed and productivity. It's essentially an inbox for all your tasks, pulling items from tools like Slack, email, and project managers, and letting you schedule them quickly into your calendar. The focus is on time blocking and rapid task capture. Sunsama, on the other hand, is more about mindful planning. It encourages you to plan your day intentionally, reflect on your workload, and avoid burnout. Think of it as a mix of a digital planner and a daily journal. Features. Now features. With Akiflow, you get a universal inbox for tasks from multiple apps, calendar integration with drag and drop scheduling, keyboard shortcuts for speed, time zone aware scheduling, and reminders. With Sunsama, you get daily guided planning sessions, integration with tools like Trello, Asana, Jira, Todoist, and Slack, a focus on work-life balance, encouraging you to set realistic daily goals, end-of-day reflections to track progress and improve habits. So Akiflow feels more like a productivity command center, while Sunsama feels like a personal productivity coach. Integrations and usability. When it comes to integrations, both do well. Akiflow integrates with Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, email, and major task managers. It's designed to consolidate everything into one view. Sunsama integrates with many of the same tools but places more emphasis on project management platforms like Trello, Asana, and Jira, making it great if you are working in teams. In terms of usability, Akiflow is fast and minimalistic, perfect if you want to get things done within few seconds and quickly. Sunsama is calm and reflective, ideal if you want a more mindful workflow. Pricing. Pricing in 2025 hasn't changed much from previous years. Akiflow costs about $19 per month when billed annually. Sunsama is a bit pricier, around $20 per month. Both offer free trials, but neither has a permanent free plan, so you are really paying for a premium productivity experience. Pros and cons. Akiflow Pros, fast, keyboard driven, great for time blocking, integrates across apps. Akiflow Cons, can feel overwhelming if you do not like structured schedules. Sunsama Pros, encourages healthy work habits, daily reflection, great team integration. Sunsama Cons, slightly pricier, slower pace if you prefer speed over mindfulness. Conclusion. So which one should you choose in 2025? Pick Akiflow if you want speed, efficiency, and time blocking mastery. Pick Sunsama if you want a guided, mindful approach to daily planning with better team-oriented integrations. And at the end of the video, both tools are excellent. It just depends on whether you want to work faster or work calmer. Now, if this comparison helped you, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity breakdowns, and let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for, Akiflow or Sunsama. And for now, goodbye and see you in new comparison videos.